In this tip, we'll see examples for the enumerate built-in function. Consider this list of numbers. If we simply iterate over the list, we'll get an element for each iteration. Instead, by using the enumerate built-in function, we can get both the index as well as the value for each iteration. So in the for loop, instead of using nums, we will use enumerate of nums. Now, in each iteration, we get a tuple of index as well as the value. Next, let us see a more practical example. Consider this list of names. By using a list comprehension, we can generate combination of two names. In the first loop, we need both the index as well as the value. In the second loop, we can use this index to get the remaining elements. Next, let us see how we can initialize the starting value of the index. Consider these items. Now, while using enumerate, we will pass the iterable as well as use the start argument to set the initial value. In the output, you can see the index starts with 1. Hope you enjoyed this tip.